birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mickey. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Can you blow out the candle?
Blow out the candle.
Make a wish. Okay, baby.
Wow. See, my grandmother can do better than that. She's
Look at all
dead.
that hot air. Should have got the ones that you have to blow out.
It's okay, take a...
I think we got some of them home that somebody did to me.
Sorry.
I'm gonna give you two more. Okay.
My battery.
She's getting a picture of the dog. Wait a minute. I'm on video, Sonny. I'm video.
That
Making a
happened to
video.
me when we went
Are
to
you?
Seabreeze.
Yeah, I'm making a video.
The battery went dead and
Seth, let me see the dog. I'm on video.
so I had to go buy the, we went to Target yesterday and got her a new battery. So I went to get a new battery. I figured that was what it was, you know.
For what's that?
I buy this at Seabreeze.
Go get the Lana King spray.
Battery died.
Or on your brother's,
Who was that?
FedEx.
FedEx. We got this girl who drives the truck for FedEx that comes to Curbs, you know. We call her Susie FedEx.
Oh, Lucy Fort.
What did you do, Mick?
What?
What'd you do?
All right, say something about your 12th birthday because it's on video. This will go down in history. It's going on YouTube, so go ahead.
Just think, this is, next year you'll be a teenager. This is your last.
This is your last year as being a punk.
Yep. Next year you.
Last year as being a punk.
No little kid after this year.
Mom, I can't find it. It's not in the bathroom either. It's not in the cupboard either.
What's she looking for? It might be to lose you next year.
I put one thing on his dresser.
Hi.
What thing?
This is my brother's birthday.
Lana King spray.
Yes, I know. You on video, Dad?
Yep, on video.
It's a bug spray. Oh.
As we see, the birthday boy.
You know what? Go get her
Look at it. Isn't he so ugly?
Mm-hmm.
a bounce thing.
Hey, look at that.
Should I go cut? Cut.